Hey kid, teach me about the voice command functions.
To use voice command, first click on the talk button located on your steering wheel. From there, enter a command saying some of these keywords. You could say go to navigate through your menu and access your settings, communication, navigation, phone, and other audio sources. You could say play or tune to initiate your audio sources, or to simply just choose the station or channel that you want access to. You could say call or dial to call people on your Bluetooth connected mobile devices. You could also say navigate or drive to address to access your navigation hands-free, and you could also say clear route or cancel route to change the course. Make sure that when talking into your voice command that you speak clearly and avoid long pauses in between your commands. For more information, simply say tutorial on your voice command and it will prompt you into a menu where you can either learn the basic or advanced voice commands.